Gingivitis is a disease that affects the gum tissue surrounding your teeth. It can often be linked to a lack of oral hygiene and care. Gingivitis occurs when a biofilm of bacteria called dental plaque develop and accumulate on the teeth, particularly on the gum line. Dental plaque releases toxins that cause an inflammation of the gums. This results in bleeding gums when touched, which can emit a foul odor. To help prevent the development of periodontitis, make sure to brush your teeth at least twice daily to ensure the removal of plaque buildup. Daily flossing will also help with the removal of bacteria that may be trapped between your teeth. Routine checkups with your dentist while following proper brushing recommendations can help ensure that your gums are disease-free.